are you sitting on? What are you on? It's your potty chair. Your potty. Oh, careful. Watch your fingers. Oh. Is it your potty? Is it your potty, babe? Oh. Right, chance to move in, then we'll just sit still on them. Still, better. Sit still. Let me see your potty. Do you like it? Oh no, stay still, Harry. Let's stay still. What do you have, Bray? You in your potty? Oh, where's your potty, Harry? Go and sit in your potty chair. Good girl. Oh, is it empty? Is there anything in there? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? Oh, lovely. You put some confetti in there. That'd be lovely. Yes. That'll be nicer than what's supposed to go in there. It's a lovely smile, Harry. What have you got? Oh. Oh, lovely. Smiling.